Welcome back, explorers. Today, we delve into the heart of Georgia, a state rich in history, natural beauty, and vibrant city life. A land where the past and present merge in the Savannah Historic District, and the urban pulse of Atlanta's Midtown enlivens the spirit. From the majestic rise of Stone Mountain Park to the serene beaches of the Golden Isles, Georgia invites you on a journey through its lush landscapes and bustling cityscapes. Enchanting islands, expansive forests, and captivating historical sites await. Let's uncover the top 10 destinations in the Peach State. Prepare to be mesmerized by Georgia's natural wonders and cultural treasures. Grab your virtual passports and let's get started. Georgia, where every path leads to discovery. Savannah Historic District. Stroll through the cobblestone streets of Savannah Historic District, a window to the past. Marvel at the antebellum architecture, each building a storybook of history. Wander under the canopy of Spanish moss-draped oaks in Forsyth Park. Enjoy the charm of the city's squares, each with its unique ambience and history. Connect with Savannah's soul, a city where history breathes through its streets. Atlanta's Midtown. Experience the heartbeat of Atlanta in Midtown, a nexus of art, culture, and nightlife. Explore the High Museum of Art, a beacon of contemporary and classic pieces. Walk the green expanse of Piedmont Park, Atlanta's own urban oasis. Dive into the vibrant culinary scene, a melting pot of global flavors. Connect with the dynamic energy of Atlanta, a city that never stands still. Stone Mountain Park. Behold the grandeur of Stone Mountain Park, home to the world's largest bas-relief sculpture. Embark on a hike to the summit, rewarded with panoramic views of Atlanta's skyline. Enjoy family-friendly attractions, from scenic train rides to laser light shows. Experience the park's natural beauty, a testament to Georgia's diverse landscapes. Connect with the adventure, where history and recreation meet. Golden Isles. Escape to the Golden Isles, a cluster of idyllic islands off Georgia's coast. Bask on the sun-kissed beaches of St. Simon's Island and Jekyll Island. Explore the marshes of Glynn, teeming with wildlife and natural beauty. Indulge in luxury at the historic resorts, a retreat from the everyday. Connect with the tranquility of the coast, a paradise of sand, sea, and sun. Chattahoochee National Forest. Venture into Chattahoochee National Forest, a haven of verdant forests and rushing rivers. Hike the Appalachian Trail, a journey through the heart of Georgia's wilderness. Kayak the tumbling waters of the Chattahoochee River, a thrill for adventurers. Witness the autumnal spectacle, when the forest turns into a canvas of colors. Connect with nature's serenity, a sanctuary of peace and beauty. If you're new here or haven't done so yet, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our future adventures. Excited for what's next? On to the next experience on our list. Tybee Island. Set sail to Tybee Island, Georgia's beachfront sanctuary. Climb the historic Tybee Lighthouse, overlooking miles of pristine shoreline. Wander the sandy beaches, a haven for sunseekers and nature enthusiasts. Discover the island's rich history at Fort Pulaski National Monument. Connect with the seaside charm, where the waves tell tales of yore. Callaway Gardens. Immerse yourself in the floral wonder of Callaway Gardens, a botanical paradise. Explore the Butterfly Center, home to thousands of vibrant butterflies. Engage in outdoor activities, from golfing to ziplining amidst nature. Experience the seasonal festivals, a celebration of flowers, lights, and music. Connect with the beauty of life, a garden where nature's artistry unfolds. Amicalola Falls State Park. Discover the splendor of Amicalola Falls, Georgia's towering waterfall. Trek the trails leading to breathtaking views of the cascading waters. Stay in the lodge perched above the falls, a room with a view like no other. Learn the lore of the Cherokee people, for whom the falls are sacred. Connect with the awe of nature, a force of beauty and power. Jekyll Island. Journey to Jekyll Island, a blend of natural beauty and historic grandeur. Bike the island's trails, winding through maritime forests and historic sites. Relax on Driftwood Beach, where nature sculpts art from fallen trees. Explore the Jekyll Island Club, once the playground of America's elite. Connect with the island's allure, a place where history and nature dance together. Okefenokee Swamp. Navigate the mysterious waters of Okefenokee Swamp, a wilderness of cypress forests and marshy prairies. Paddle among alligators and egrets, inhabitants of this primeval landscape. Witness the swamp's fiery sunsets, a spectacle of nature's colors. Delve into the folklore of the swamp, a land of legends and spirits. Connect with the wild, where adventure and wonder thrive in the heart of Georgia. Georgia beckons with its tapestry of experiences, from the coastal breezes of Tybee Island to the mountainous vistas of the Chattahoochee. From the historic charm of Savannah to the urban vibrancy of Atlanta, Georgia offers a journey of discovery where every path leads to an unforgettable story. Thank you for joining us on this captivating exploration of Georgia's gems. Until next time, keep exploring and turning your destinations into experiences. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For more detailed experiences and exclusive travel deals, visit TripJive.com. Until our next adventure, stay curious and keep exploring. Thank you for watching.